Morning po. My name is Dencio Vicente.
My name is Farhana Makalanga.
We are presenting communication role play, handling
This reservation.
guest reservation.
Good day. Thank you for calling Manila Hotel. This is Fantes.
Hello, I would like to make a reservation.
Sure, I'll be happy to help you. May I have your name, please?
My name is Dencio Vicente.
Thank you, Mr. Vicente. When would you like to check in and check out?
I will check in on May 10 and check out on May 12.
Noted, may I ask what type of room you prefer? We have standard, deluxe, and suite rooms.
I would like deluxe room, please.
All right, a deluxe room is available on your dates. May I also have your contact number for confirmation?
Yes, it is 0999 471 8374.
Thank you. Your reservation confirmed, Mr. Vicente. You are booked for a deluxe room from May 10 to 12. Do you need any special request like airport pickup or breakfast inclusion?
Yes, I would like breakfast included, please.
Noted, breakfast is included in your book. We look forward to welcome you to our hotel. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Welcome.